What?
Oh man.
No way. Well, we got the shot. Whoa. Okay, that was a mess.
What went wrong besides the
The zip line went off early, which triggered this to go backwards. Oh man, this was a complete mess. The ping pong ball at the end missed it as well, which I suspected. Yeah, I don't know if I can edit that. This is the biggest mess I've had in a while.
Oh really?
Yep.
No.
That's pretty funny. Finally! Yeah, so this setup really didn't work at all and it was a complete mess. Check out what actually happened over here. Also, my next video is going to be posted on Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern instead of Saturday, so stay tuned for that. It's a domino project that I did for Lego. Pretty freaking sweet. But anyway, I'm Lily. Shoot, no, I'm Hevish5. I'm Hevish5, and I'll see you next Saturday. I'm glad that this setup is over.